Hey friends, welcome back. I'm Courtney and I have Nix in the room with me today, my little standard poodle puppy. She is very enthusiastically chewing on a bone, which you'll hear her throughout the video. I'm going to try and edit out as much as possible. Today I'm doing a collaboration tutorial with my friend Brooke from Blushing Noir. I will put her link in the description box below, but please go check out her blog. She's one of my favorite bloggers. I've been friends with her for years and we both love this palette. And so when my palette got lost, she was sending me swatch photos so I could drool over her palette, and we were talking about everything. So we're like, why don't we both do tutorials featuring the palette? So I'm doing one, she's doing one. So be sure you go and check out her tutorial. And without further ado, let's jump into mine. I've already applied my eyeshadow primer, which is Urban Decay's Enigma, and I set it with my Milani Prep Set Go setting powder. Applying Daydream with the Urban Decay Smoky Crease brush, and I'm just gently building up this color. I'm going to apply the color Dye with the Urban Decay flat eyeshadow brush to the inner and outer lid. This is a super awesome pigmented purple color. It is my favorite purple that Urban Decay has ever made. I'm just roughly applying where I want the purple to go in the crease and along the lower lid, all with this flat shader brush. I'm going to take the Urban Decay Iconic brush and start blending the purple up into the crease. Blend it along the lower lid as well to soften it up. I'm going to mix the colors Daydream and 1212 together. Blend this on top of the edges. With a small fluffy brush, I'm going to apply more of Dye to my crease. I'm basically just blending the purple upwards so that you can see it a little bit on my hooded eyes. I'm blending a little bit of Lucy onto this area, like basically the brow bone slash crease on my hooded eyes, just to try to make sure everything looks nice and smooth before I move on to the next step. I'm going to use Spitfire with the little dense side of the Kaleidoscope brush, and I'm going to run this along the bottom of my lower lid. I'm going to use Lime Time on the center of the lid. If you get a little too overzealous with the green, just go back with the purple to fix it. I'm going to take a little bit of Leo and pat it on top of Lime Time to kind of make the green a little more glowy. I went off camera to put on some lashes and now I'm back. I'm going to mix a little bit of Daydream and 1212 and apply that in the crease. I'm going to take Urban Decay's Perversion pencil and a small brush, and I'm going to tight line the upper waterline. If this makes you uncomfortable, you can skip it. I just feel like it looks better for me to have it lined. I'm just using the pencil. And I'm going to use a little bit of NYX Epic Ink Liner just to make sure that the line is solid. Okay, so I put on the rest of my makeup. I think for my lower waterline, I'm gonna put this NYX pencil in the shade White Smoke. If this creeps you out, you should skip it. This is really just an eye brightening step, and this is kind of like a light purple color. I typically always use the same highlight that I use on my face to highlight my eyes. I'm gonna use Lucy from the Daydream palette first, tap off the excess, and then I'm just trying to blend this nice matte like right under the brows before I go into my shimmery highlight. I'm gonna go ahead and try Brixton for my highlight, just so that I'm mostly staying within the Kristen Leanne palettes. And I think that's it, so I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in so you can see the finished eye look up close. So here's the finished eye look. So I hope you enjoyed my tutorial featuring the Urban Decay Kristen Leanne Kaleidoscope and Daydream palettes. Please be sure to let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to go over to my friend Brooke, Blushing Noir's blog, to check out her tutorial with palettes. If you found this video entertaining or helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share. If you haven't already, go ahead and click that little subscribe button down below, and I'll see you in my next video.